Londonda metrosiga keldik. Mana bu metrodan hozir Marylebone Station Underground avtobusga o'tirish kerak ekan. Hali bilmayman qayerga borishni. Qanday borishni? To'g'risi Marylebone Station mana shu yerga keldik. Shu yerdan hozir London ko'chalarida bundan joyga boramiz. Avtobusga o'tirdik. Ko'chalar 2 etajli avtobuslar ekan. Mana shu avtobusdan tushdim. Hozir mana bundan 205. Hozir mana shu metroga o'tirishim kerak. Tak, mana bu yarmarkasini ko'rsatchag'arim. Bozor ekan, bu yer metro stansiya ekan. Bu elektrichka ekan. Mana bu shirinliklar. Oh my god. Plain chocolate, croissant. What is inside?
Croissant is plain.
Oh, it's croissant.
Yes.
With not chocolate.
We have chocolate there.
This is one chocolate, yes?
One of these, yeah?
No. I'm asking. What?
Yeah, chocolate,
With chocolate?
plain, chocolate and pistachio,
Mm.
almond with marzipan, raisin,
Good,
cinnamon here.
good. It's okay, I'm recording. Thank you. It's a bottle.
Oh, sorry, don't, no touch.
I thought it was please. Bu turецкий bir bolalar. Оливка. Oh my god.